following clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to repack, grease, and adjust your vehicle's wheel bearings. In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove the vehicle's wheel bearings. Depending upon your make and model, you may have a hub assembly. On this one, we have what they call tapered roller bearings. To get the outboard bearing out, no problem at all. Just take and place your hand about so and pop the rotor. As you can see, bearing is slipped out. We'll take and remove it just like so. The inboard bearing is a different story. There's a dozen different tricks for removal of the inboard bearing. What I have found that works the best is to reinstall the nut. I know it doesn't make sense, but right now I'll show you. Once you reinstall the nut, you only have to put on a couple threads. You're going to slide the rotor off of its seat, and you're going to use a sliding motion. What I've done is reinstalled the nut back onto the spindle. What I'm going to do is use a sliding motion with the rotor. I'm going to grab it with both hands and pop it this way. What that'll do is strike the inboard or the outboard edge of the inboard bearing and actually pop it out and remove the grease seal. We'll slide it off its seat and give it a whack. The bearing seat's inside here. This is called the inner race, and the seal hammers down right on top of it, and that's what keeps it in. We'll take and remove that guy right there, set it on top of our other bearing, and spin our nut off. That's the proper way to remove your vehicle's wheel bearings.